If you want to remove background noise in DaVinci Resolve quickly and safely, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to do it. Whether you're cleaning up a voiceover, a podcast, or an interview, DaVinci Resolve has a built-in noise reduction tool that can make a huge difference in the clarity of your audio. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy editing guides. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're on the Edit page. In the top left header, click the Effects button. This opens the Effects library, which is where you can find the built-in Resolve FX tools and restoration effects. These effects are searchable, so instead of scrolling forever, you can simply type what you need. Now click into the search bar and type Noise Reduction. Once it appears, drag the Noise Reduction effect directly onto your audio clip on the timeline. As soon as you apply it to the clip, DaVinci Resolve will automatically open the Noise Reduction interface window, and you'll also see the effect registered in the clip inspector. This is where the real cleanup process begins. Next, look for the Manual Radio button in the center of the Noise Reduction window and select it. Manual mode is important because it lets you analyze a specific noise profile from your own audio. That means the software can focus on the exact background hum, hiss, static, or fan noise that you want to remove, instead of guessing. Now find a section of your timeline that contains only background noise. This is one of the most important parts of the process. You want to highlight a part of the audio where no one is talking, because that gives DaVinci Resolve a clean sample of the unwanted sound. If speech is included in the sample, the software may mistake parts of your voice for noise, which can damage the final result. Once you have that noise-only section selected, go back to the Noise Reduction window and click the Learn button. Then play the highlighted section. While it plays, DaVinci Resolve analyzes the noise and builds a frequency profile. You'll notice the purple frequency graph appear in the visualizer as the software captures the noise print. Let it analyze long enough to get a solid sample, especially if the background noise is steady throughout the clip. When the profile is captured, click the Learn button again to turn it off. This locks in the noise print, so DaVinci Resolve stops analyzing and starts using that profile to subtract the noise from the rest of the audio. At this point, the plugin is ready to process your clip in real time. Now play back a section of the clip where speech is present so you can hear the filtered result. You should notice the background noise reduced while the voice remains more clear and focused. If the audio sounds too harsh or too artificial, don't worry, because the next step is all about fine-tuning the effect. Look for the threshold knob in the detection section and rotate it to adjust the sensitivity. The threshold controls how easily the noise reduction starts affecting the signal. If it's set too aggressively, it can cut into the natural sound of your voice, so make small adjustments and listen carefully as you go. Then adjust the sensitivity and ratio knobs to control how strong the noise reduction is. Higher sensitivity and ratio values will remove more noise, but they can also introduce digital artifacts if pushed too far. The goal is to find the sweet spot where the unwanted noise is reduced without making the audio sound robotic or overprocessed. After that, go to the Output section and modify the Dry-Wet knob. This lets you blend the original audio with the processed audio. If you lower the dry-wet amount a little, some of the original room tone stays in the mix, which often makes the voice sound more natural. If you push it too far, the track may sound overly clean or slightly unnatural, so again, subtle changes work best. Take your time here and keep listening back through different parts of the clip. A good noise reduction setting should clean up the audio without making the voice thin, metallic, or distorted. In many cases, a light touch gives the best result, especially for dialogue and spoken content. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove background noise in DaVinci Resolve using the built-in noise reduction effect, from applying the plugin to learning the noise profile and fine-tuning the final output. This is a great skill to have if you want your videos to sound more professional and easier to listen to. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips, and leave a comment if you want more editing tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.